Here we go then. Bit of Falcon now.
Oh,
the main attraction at the park.
Can't wait to get on this one. We're on it.
Go slower. You're a fighter. You ready, John?
Yeah, we're all ready. Oh, we're going up there by the looks of it. It looks a bit high.
That's all the ride, isn't it? Let me put my arm over yours.
I can't. Oh, I'm not liking this very much.
Ready? Here we go! Hey! Hey! Woo! Ooh, and there we go.